So you've seen how we've used one of the preset motion graphics that come included with Premiere. There are thousands and thousands of these out there that are available for download, either paid or free or subscription models. So have a look around, see if you can find any new motion graphics if what you require isn't suitable on there. But again, what we're going to do now is just have a look at how we can create one of these from scratch. So we're not relying on the preset titles or the lower thirds, we're just going to create our own. So scrubbing through our timeline to find where we want to put it, and again, that is the perfect location, is that bottom left corner here of that clip. So again, something definitely to consider when you're wanting to apply titles or lower thirds or captions or something like that. Make sure that it's in a non-busy part of your screen. So let's have a look. So first off, we're going to use the text tool, the type tool, and we're just going to click in here and we're going to start typing. Tuesday. So that is an awful font straight away. So first thing I want to do is select that and let's have a quick scan through and let's find something just clean and simple. And we can try, similar to any kind of word processing, anything that includes text. You know, a lot of these will be familiar to you, so we can center our text, we can change the font, we can change the weight, we can change the size. So let's fill that to about there. The tracking, this must be something I've used in the past because that has been increased. So the tracking is the spacing between your characters. So let's increase that a little bit more, and then we can change the appearance. So let's just click off that, and we can change the colour. I mean, to be fair, white was perfect on there. We can add a stroke. So a stroke is an outline around your text. So you could, I mean, again, I don't think that's suitable for here. Shadow, background. So again, if it was, you think maybe we need a box on there, we can change the background colour. We can change the opacity of the background. Let's make that a bit more blue to match the shadows of the video clip. There we go. So let's go back into our text and shadow on the text. So again, we're just layering that up a little bit with a couple of other effects. I think I quite like that background. I think that just separates it from the background a little bit. It blends it in. That's nice. And then there's our title in place, but it does just appears. Just appears. So now with our title, we can maybe create a little bit of movement, because at the minute it just appears. It doesn't look horrific, but it's just there. So maybe we could give it a little bit of a wipe on and wipe off. So we're just going to add these to the beginning and the end of the clip. And a wipe, you can see what a wipe does, it just brings it on that way. And again, I think they just need speeding up a little bit, so I'm just going to shorten the duration of them clips. And as we get to there, it's going to wipe off that way. The wipe can be customized just like everything else. You can kind of see a preview of what it does. Maybe border width, what is that going to do? That's going to give it a line. We don't want that there. So maybe we just want to move it away from that cut a little bit. Bring it away safe on that end there as well. So that's a very basic title that we've just applied a transition in, a transition out. We've applied a background, we've tweaked the colour, we've changed the font. There's so much more that you could do with your titles and your graphics, so experiment, have a look at what you can do, what's available out there with the motion graphics, or if you want to customise it, make your own, feel free to have a play and experiment.